Hi everyone, welcome back to another video in this holy month of Ramadan. Hope you all are having a great time and hope your fasting is going well. This was a random vlog taken. We had iftar gathering at a restaurant here. If you're following me on my Instagram, you would already seen the reel I had published yesterday. So I was free, had nothing to prepare at home, but definitely had to make something for Suhoor, and I wasn't in a mood to cook so much. I was craving for rice and grilled chicken, something in Arab cuisine. I remember eating jerish when our very close family friends Safna and Mashood Bhai, who is also a chef at a palace in Riyadh, they came home with food that he cooked specially for us. That included jerish, which is one of my favorites. And I recently saw a recipe of selig which was looking similar, so I contacted Safna to inquire about what we ate that day. It was jerish anyway, but both the dishes needed Egyptian rice. Now, long story short, I prepared something similar to those dishes with what I had at home, and this tastes really good. Even my kids enjoyed having it. Very simple to prepare with very less ingredients, and I can say it's even a healthy dish. As I didn't have Egyptian rice with me, I used Jeerakashala rice, which has a great aroma, and we use this for our Malabar biryanis and ghee rice. You can even make this with Basmati rice if you want. You will need chicken as well. You can also prepare this with mutton, just that mutton takes much longer to cook. Though I haven't made with mutton, I'm not sure of the exact taste to give you a review. Here I'm preparing it in the quantity needed for just 4 of us. So the chicken used is 4 large pieces. I cut 1 kilo chicken into 4 pieces. Into a cooking pot, add ghee or oil. I added ghee for an extra taste. To that goes in 1 large onion that's chopped. Saute well. Let that cook well till it's light brown shade. The onion is done now. Now to cook 1 kilo chicken that's cut in 4 pieces, I added 1 cup warm water into the pot. Place the chicken pieces in it. Add some salt. Give a mix. Cover and simmer till it's cooked. Give a mix in between. The chicken is almost done. I am taking out all the pieces in a baking dish. That's a neck piece which I will not be using. I added that just for the stock. So the stock is ready. I turned off the flame for a while. Now to this I added Laban, which is nothing but buttermilk. Here we get thick buttermilk. I'm using Masoon brand, which is the local brand here. Now don't add the Laban alone, do mix water too. I added 1 1/4 cup Laban and around 1 cup water. I turned on the flame to medium till it started to boil. Now add drained rice into the pot. I covered the pot and kept on very low flame. Make sure the rice is getting cooked and you need to check in between. Here the rice needs more cooking and there's less water, as you can see. So I added more water and 1 more cup of Laban. You need to keep hot water ready aside so that you can add accordingly. It doesn't matter if you add in between. As I'm making this for the first time, I couldn't measure the correct amount. Try to keep stirring the rice till it's cooked, and it doesn't matter if the rice goes mushy. It took a while for me to get the rice cooked as I had to keep adding more water. The flame was still low. As I was using a thick bottomed vessel, the rice doesn't easily stick or burn at the bottom. I shall give an average quantity of how much Laban and water I use for this dish. And as I said earlier, keep hot water always ready beside you to add to the rice when needed. Keep in mind of the salt amount, do add more if needed. Try to keep stirring continuously once you feel rice needs more cooking and water gets less. Just when the rice is almost done, add a slice of butter, and this is completely optional. It's to give an extra flavor and taste. Finally, the rice is done. This rice is very flavorful and very tasty. Very simple to prepare as well. I didn't want a bit to go in waste, in fact. Just keeping it covered because I'll be keeping in the oven just before suhoor time, as I wanted to serve it warm. Time for suhoor. I crushed some black pepper and added some olive oil before placing it in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Place a piece of chicken on the rice while serving. To add a bit of kick, I sprinkle some chili flakes. And there you go. The rice as such is very tasty. Having it with a piece of chicken takes it to the next level. Hope you all will try it and let me know your feedback. As I said earlier, we had iftar gathering at a restaurant in Al Kuwait. I had already shared a reel on it on my Instagram. Do check out that if you haven't, and do follow my Instagram page to get updates and stories on my daily life. It's been very long time since we went out with kids to any mall or play area. There's festival going on in Mall of Muscat and we went to check out the activities there. They had some games to entertain kids. Some stalls exhibiting their work, hijabs, artwork, drinks and many other. It was in fact a refreshing evening for kids. They just finished their online exams and it was a good break for them, though their school have already started. And that's all for today's short vlog. Just wanted to share a few moments with you all. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.